Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I am going to show you the very important query which is mostly asked in interview questions. How will you get the last right date in a Linq? So most of the time we get like some files. We have like some files. For example, you see in the bottom we have a last write time is 4:30 and 4:02 all, and there is another file is the last one, that is 25th June. So you see in this all 20 file is written by the on 27th, and this is the last file which is written 25th. So in this example I will show you how will you store that the file which you have wrote like in the particular date. So for example, I am carrying a one date, like I today is the 27th. So for example, if I write some file on 27th or last write time, so we will get those file in a array. So I created one like example for you guys. So here, yeah, it's the last write time. So here I write one query, the last write time. So it's a very important query, guys, when you use when you export. It's an advanced query, and the most of the time like interviewer asks this type of questions. So it's a very helpful for you when you are a beginner or you are expert. So here the file, I take one variable, guys, which is get file, and in that get variable file have the that is the variable type is IEnumerable, and you can find this variable inside this. If you did not find this variable, you can go in a browse and search for the system.collection.IEnumerable, and you have to create this variable IEnumerable get files, where we store those files which last date is 27th. So here is my query, guys. So let me zoom a little bit so that it's visible for you. Yeah. So the first syntax is my query is directory.getFile, and the last is my folder where I put all files. So this is the folder, last the folder name, and there is all my file. You see this is the file, modified date is 27th of 6/6/27, and this is modified by 25. So I wrote this query last.where functions function.x. So I creating the one instance of this functions, and then we create one new object type of these things, and then file informations. Last write time is greater than C date and 26 of this one. So whatever, if you want to write something, so let me run this query and show you. I will change this date and I will show you the output to you so that you could understand better. So in my output sections, you have to remove this last past entry, and I'm going to run this query. Yeah. So you see this this is the all date is come, last date is it's 27th. So we wrote all these files in this particular date, like all file is 27th. So it's returning only those files which last date is 27th. And for example, if you are going to change this date here, for example, we put it here like 24. So in this date we also get the other file which last date is 25, this one. So this we also get this one as well. So let me run this query, and guys, I just remind you, please subscribe my channel if you like. It's really appreciate me, so that I could make the helpful videos for you, and which is help for your best project. And I really appreciate you guys if you will make subscribe of my channel. and please put the bell icon so that you will get the notification all time when I upload any new videos or update. So I really please help to support my channel so that my channel will grow. Let me run these things, guys, and you will check it out. Yeah, now it's here. So you see this one, we also get the last one file, so that is last written date in 25th. So you see here 25th. So hope this topic is clear for you. If you have any queries, any comments or any suggestions, please feel free to contact me on email, so that I will revert back to you, or comment on the video. I will revert back to you at the time when I get the time. And please subscribe my channels, guys. I really appreciate you. Thank you for watching from me videos. Have a nice day. Bye.